Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am making Paneer Pav Bhaji masala. For that I have taken homemade paneer. This is cauliflower, 2 colored bell peppers, cilantro, tomato, 1 potato, onion, red chili powder. This is Kashmiri ginger garlic paste, Pav Bhaji masala, lemon juice, salt, butter, cumin seeds, water to boil the vegetables, and instead of the pav I have taken hot dog buns so that we can put it in the middle and eat. Simple and easy. So first we will cut the vegetable and allow it to cook. And I'm taking 1 carrot. I'll cut it everything and we'll allow it to cook first. I have taken red potato. If you want, you can take out the skin. I have not taken it out. So now we will allow it to cook by adding little bit of salt. Now the vegetable is cooked. I will be turning off the stove. After it is cooled down, we will mash it. So all the vegetables is cut. Everything I have kept it ready. We have to just take lemon juice also. For like in the end, we have to, if you have a lime or lemon, you can squeeze it. Otherwise, you can just take the lemon and then pour it while eating. I'll be taking out the water of the cooked vegetables first. Then we'll mash it. Because if we need, we can add it. Otherwise, we can throw it off. I just took out so much water. Now this one we'll mash it. So we have to mash it like this. Keep it ready. Now this is done. Everything is ready. If everything is kept ready, it's very fast and easy. You can cook it fast. So, now this is done. We'll start cooking right now. Kept a pan and I'll be turning on this stove. For that I'll be adding butter. And also I'll be adding oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil, any cooking oil. So this is enough right now. To this I'll be adding cumin seeds first. To that I'll be adding onions. To this I'll be adding ginger garlic paste. Keep it at medium heat. I'll be using homemade paneer, so I have posted that video also. You can do it at home. If you're not able to buy it from stores, you can do it yourself, so it's not much of work. Just heating the milk and adding vinegar, 1 cup or half cup of vinegar. To that vinegar add little bit of water, then add it, then turn off the stove. So then you can just filter it, you get a paneer. So paneer making is simple and easy also. If you get it from Indian stores or any of the Asian, means like South Asian stores, it's fine. Now even Costco is selling paneer, so you can get it from there also. Now this is done. For this we'll be adding tomato. Now I'll be adding salt also. To this I'll be adding red chili powder. This is a Kashmir chili powder. To that I'll be adding this is Pav Bhaji masala, 2 spoons. For this I'll be adding peppers, red and yellow pepper. Now I'll add all the cooked vegetables. I'll add vegetable broth, means like cooked vegetable stuff. So now we have to mix it. You have to check for the salt. If it's less you can add, if it's more we'll be adding lemon juice, so no need to worry. I'll be adding some more water because I'll be adding paneer now. We have to add paneer. So just crumple up like this and then add it. To this I'll be adding little bit extra hot chili powder because we eat little bit spicy, that's why. Just if it becomes thick, you can add hot water. So this has to be little bit thick, not too thick. So make sure it's like thicker. Let it go. I'm checking salt. I need some more. After turning off, we will add cilantro and lime juice. Now it's boiling. We can cook like this for 2 more minutes. Then we will turn off. Then we'll add lemon juice and cilantro. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon, share it with your friends and family. Now I'll turn off the stove, turn off, then add lime juice and cilantro. To this I'll be adding Kashmiri chili powder, little bit salt, Pav Bhaji masala, now mix it well. Now this is ready. Now we have to spread this one on the bun. just kept the pan, and we have to heat this one first. We have to put it like this. Apply a little bit of butter even on the top. Now this is done. We can take it out and serve it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Now we have to put a little bit lemon here and then eat. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.